What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you what's the name of CeIO3 and how to find out the molar mass or molecular weight of this compound. Ce is cerium and IO3 is the polyatomic ion which is called iodate. So we have Ce3 plus in this case and we have IO3 minus. The charge here plus 3, charge here is minus 1. However, cerium has two different oxidation numbers. Sometimes it is in terms of 3 plus, sometimes it's 4 plus. Now let's find out the number. The name of this product is going to be cerium. Since we have two different, we need to mention that cerium 3 iodate. That's the name of this compound. Now we need to find out the molar mass. In order to find molar mass, we need to find atomic mass of each of the elements. So we need to use the periodic table. The atomic mass of cerium is 140.12 grams per mole. Atomic mass of I is 126.90 grams per mole. Oxygen is 15.999 grams per mole. Then we find out the molar mass of the compound. We have one cerium, so it's going to be 140.12 plus. We have 3 iodine, so we have 3 times 126.90 plus we have 3 times 3, 9 atoms of oxygen, so 9 times 15.999. So that's going to be 664.811 grams per mole. That's the molar mass or molecular weight of cerium iodate. You can also show it as milligram per millimole, but grams per mole is more common. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding physics, chemistry, and calculus. Thank you for watching and have a great day.